The Ford Model T, introduced in 1908, was not just a car, it was a revolution on wheels. By 1920, it had already transformed the automotive industry and the way people lived. Affectionately known as the Tin Lizzie, the Model T was Ford's answer to the demand for a reliable, affordable, and durable car that the average person could own. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a symbol of freedom and mobility that reshaped society. What made the Model T truly remarkable was its simplicity and ingenuity. It featured a 2.9-liter, four-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower. While that might sound modest today, it was enough to propel the car to a top speed of around 45 miles per hour. Its planetary transmission and two-pedal system made it easier to drive than most vehicles of the era, opening the road to people who had never imagined owning a car. The Model T was also built to handle rough, unpaved roads, making it perfect for both cities and rural areas. Ford's revolutionary assembly line was another key factor that made the Model T accessible. By standardizing production and using moving assembly lines, Ford dramatically lowered costs, allowing the car to sell for just a few $100s by the 1920s. This approach didn't just make cars more affordable, it set the template for mass production that industries around the world would adopt. The affordability of the Model T democratized mobility, allowing millions of families to travel farther and faster than ever before. Beyond its mechanics and affordability, the Model T had a cultural impact that is hard to overstate. It turned America into a car-owning nation, spurred the growth of road infrastructure, and even influenced where people chose to live and work. Farmers could now access markets more easily, city dwellers could take weekend trips to the countryside, and small businesses found new ways to transport goods. The Model T became more than just a vehicle, it became a catalyst for a modern lifestyle. The design of the Model T, though simple, was incredibly versatile. Its body could be customized with different styles, from roadsters to touring cars. Mechanics and drivers appreciated its durability and ease of repair. With parts that could be replaced without specialized tools, owners could maintain their vehicles almost anywhere. This reliability and practicality contributed to its immense popularity. By 1920, over 15 million Model Ts had been produced, cementing its status as one of the most influential vehicles in history. Its legacy is still felt today, not just in the design and engineering of modern cars, but in the idea that a car could be a tool for empowerment and social change. The Ford Model T didn't just put the world on wheels, it helped create the modern world as we know it, proving that innovation, accessibility, and vision could truly change lives. The Ford Model T stands as a testament to the power of simplicity, ingenuity, and forward-thinking design. It is remembered not just as a car, but as a transformative force that made mobility, independence, and progress attainable for millions.